gentlemen, these fantastic contestants. Yeah, you see me up here? Wait till you see how tall they actually are. Yeah, I'll be like this. Hey, so anyway. All right, girls. We're going to bring you guys up one of these times. Where are you from, Darcy?
I am from about 2 minutes away, actually.
You're native, born and raised? Wow, she's like a unicorn. And that you're fabled to exist, native San Diegans, but that's good, that's good. So I wanted to ask you kind of a weird question, all right? I'm gonna ask you all some weird questions. I don't even have all the questions yet. I'm still thinking of the questions. The first question is, what question would you ask? No, I'm just kidding. If you were a can of soup, what can of soup would you be and why? Now, I know you think this is funny, she didn't know about this question yet, so, you know, give her a second. I mean, what's the first can of soup that comes to your head?
Something that's thick and rich and really hearty. And really good for you. Vegetables, lots of nutrients. Maybe like some vegetable, home style. Really thick and delicious. Good for you, good for you.
Delicious.
Millie Marie.
All right, Millie Marie, and where are you from originally?
Pasadena.
Pasadena. Little old lady from Pasadena. And where is your dress manufactured? Who made your dress?
It's from pinupgirl.com, but I bought this from Temptress, of course.
Of course. Temptress. Spectacular. I like all the little cherries and stuff. I'm not going to ask you what kind of fruit would you be. I totally am speaking. Oh, let's see. If you were a street sign, what street sign would you be? I'll give her a second to think about that. What, you don't like these questions? Sorry, I thought it was your voice I heard. I can't hear right. I was swimming around in the bay and I dove down to the bottom and I forgot to, you know, clear it, pop them. Oh, it was bad coming back up. I can't really hear anything.
Probably something named after like a gorgeous flower, or mahogany because it's strong and beautiful, or something like that.
Sounds good to me. Spectacular. Karaoke?
O'Keefe.
Caddy O'Keefe? Is that like, okay. Irish. Irish. I didn't know the Irish sang, yeah, okay, anyway. So, where are you from originally?
Ramona.
Ramona. Originally?
Yeah, born and raised.
Nice. All right, Ramona. See what I mean about this height ratio thing? It's perfect, believe me. It's perfect. Like I said, I was in the bay all week, motorboating around. All right, so if you were a pet, whose pet would you be?
Ooh, that's a good one.
All right, we'll give her a second to think about that. You think about it. Whose pet would you be? I don't know how he treats his pets.
I think I would want to be a little old lady's little lap dog, and I could lay all day on her retro furniture and sneak in the kitchen when she's asleep and be a naughty pet, but she doesn't know.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're a naughty pet, but she doesn't know. Are you a naughty pet, but nobody knows?
I'm not usually the pet. Michelle Money.
Michelle, come on over here a little bit. I'm sorry I'm crowding the stage. And Michelle, where are you from?
Born and raised in San Diego.
Born and raised? Only San Diegans. Wow. Maybe I'll just start claiming it. I had to change my accent and everything. All right, and how about your dress?
It is it's a rock steady dress, and I got it from Temptress Fashion.
Of course you did. Are those stockings or is that a tattoo? I can't tell from them. I want to get those little lines on the bed. Sorry, I'll get little white ones on my pants. What do you think? Okay, sorry. Those are interesting questions. We're going to my questions. If you were a drink, do you drink at all? She said yes, by the way, for those who didn't hear that. What kind of drink would you be, and why?
I don't even really need to think about that one. I'm just going to go with the dirty martini. First off, that is my favorite drink, hands down. Gin for the win. It's got to be
gin, no vodka. Martini's not a martini without gin. Just remember that. And well, it's classy. It's got its dirty side.
And you can bruise it too. So I don't understand. I don't know whether I'm supposed to ask you Quintessa each of these questions or just one, but here we go. First, state your name for the jury.
I'm nervous all of a sudden. Ricochet Red is my name.
Ricochet Red? I'm nervous all of a sudden too. She's like, she should be. Are you armed?
Yes.
And she is. Where are you from originally?
Actually, I'm from all over California, but I'm now living in San Diego, and it's the best place to be, and I'm never moving. So.
There you go. She knows how to play the crowd. All right, and tell me a little bit about your dress.
My dress is actually a vintage store find up in Escondido, so I'd love to tell you who made it, but I can't.
It was me. I made it. I did.
Well done.
It belongs on you. So let's see. What is your secret obsession? You can go anywhere with this. Is everybody here over 18, 21, something like that? So you can get dirty if you want. You don't have to though. Sometimes it's more creative not to get dirty. But whatever. It's your obsession. Mine's dirty. But it depends on what country you're in, I guess. It's dirty here. I think it's illegal too. Do you have a secret obsession? Do you do it like right away? Wow, I didn't. I had to think about mine for like 40 years.
My secret obsession is actually getting dirty. I'm a mechanic and painter by trade, so I get my hands filthy, dirty on a constant basis. So and it's not a secret, but can't help it.
It's not a secret anymore. State your name to the jury.
Eva Mae Garnett.
Eva Mae Garnett. Sorry, these names just always conjure up ideas in my head. And where are you from originally?
Charleston, South Carolina.
Charleston, South Carolina. I got a funny story to tell you about Charleston. Later. It's part of my secret obsession, but it was legal back then. So I guess I should ask you, what does the color red represent to you? Hey, it's not your question. He ruined it. That's everyone know. You know, I have a better idea. What are your future plans if you win the Face of Temptress pageant?
Play in all the beautiful clothes and hang out with all these awesome women.
Oh, I forgot about. I get this thing. Remind me about the dress or the clothes, the outfit, skirt, things, accessories. State your name.
Miss Mary.
Miss Mary. Now I'm from Philly, so we pronounce the word Mary, and they're all different. So which one is that?
Neither.
Is it like a Mary or a Mary? Like a meerkat?
Like Zach and Mary made a porno.
Oh! Got it. Thank you. Where are you from originally?
Mexico.
Where in Mexico?
Sinaloa.
Sinaloa? I was going to say, it's a big country. People don't realize it's long. Yeah, do that again. That's what you want to see, fellas. When she's talking about you to her friends? Exactly. Alright. So, tell me about your ensemble.
Well, it's a combination of stores. This is from Cotton On, and this is from a store named Windsor.
What about those shoes?
Target?
Treasure. And let's see. Define what beauty is to you. I'll give you a second to think about that. Mine changes all the time. Yeah. Are we running out of time? Oh, okay. We just have, okay, well, we have one more left, and we're going to let the girls go back to the room and start getting guessied up. Some of us know that takes a while. However, these girls are usually pretty fast. Speaking of street signs.
I think what beauty means to me is
your inner confidence. It doesn't matter what you're wearing, as long as you're able to just be happy in it, rock it.
There you go. Inner beauty, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together one more time. We have history.
Oh, yes.
So, state your name for the audience.
My name is Lola Demure.
All right. And where are you from originally?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. In the house. And tell me about your ensemble.
Well, I'm wearing a stop-staring dress. And these fabulous shoes are from Temptress. Yes.
How about your tattoos?
Oh, Seth's Chop Shop.
Seth. Again, Seth's Chop Shop. Now let's see a question. If you had to ask me a question, what question would it be? No, wait. Shh, go to the other. Where did I already go to? Oh, if you were a car, what kind of car would you be and why? I'll give you a second. That's his thing. Yeah, because he's fast and loose and easy to flip.
A 1959 Fairlane. These old cars are sexy, and they have style, and they're original.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together. One more time.
Darcy Graves. She's rocking a Fables by Mary, a local designer, in the tiki striped dress.
Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, encourage. Let them know you like it.
Next we have Millie Marie. Where are you, Millie? Millie Marie is with the Hell on Heels Burlesque. Absolutely beautiful. She is rocking the Dapper skirt from Rock Steady, who is one of our fabulous sponsors today, as well as a Sophia top from Rock Steady as well. A beautiful hair flower fascinator completes the look. Millie means all business.
We gotta get these moves down. Those are sweet.
Alright, sexy. Up next we got Caddy O'Keefe. Caddy.
Is this turning on?
Caddy is a cuties for the cause. Cuties for a cause, honey, you know. Oh yeah. She's rocking a Dixie Fried in gunmetal, honey. Seth's Chop Shop. Madison Jane did her hair, actually. Madison Jane hooked up her hair. Very sexy. She also was a sun hat from the San Diego Hat Company. It's fashioned with a silk leopard scarf. You can untie it. Ready for your convertible ride in sunny San Diego. Or lounging on the beach. Thank you. Michelle Monique. Michelle Monique, she's wearing a high-waisted Rock Steady skinny jeans. Makes you look good in all the right places. Just saying. She's also rocking a Miss Fancy top from Rock Steady. It's a dotted lace with little burgundy stretch, something. Hooks your curves in all the right places. Michelle Monique.
So she wasn't kidding around. She works on the hot rods and she does pinstriping. She's a pinstriper.
She's a sexy bitch.
I once dated a candy striper.
She's rocking wearing a Fables by Barry, a tiki dress. This is one of my favorite prints too by Fables. It's actually got silhouette boning, so it's strapless. It's got a sweetheart neckline. Cups the girls in all the right places. It's got the silhouette boning, so honey, you can throw your bra away with this one. Oh, Eva May-Garnett, she is modeling a beautiful Lolita girl dress. This one just made its appearance with its princess cap sleeves, fitted in the bodice, corsets your waistline, swings out with or without a petticoat, equally fabulous. This dress has pockets, honey, pockets.
What? If you were the pockets in a dress, what would you carry in your pockets?
Oh, there's all kind of things you can put in my pocket, honey. Mary! Miss Mary!
Sorry, my mouth was so dry.
Miss Mary is rocking a Fables by Mary skipper top. She's wearing a sexy, some high-waisted nautical hello sailor.
Hey, I'm a sailor.
Hello sailor. You a sailor?
Well, I was a Marine, but you know, I live on a boat. I guess that makes me a sailor.
What's the saying for Marines anyway?
A Marine?
We got the beautiful Lola Demure. This Lola has got a San Diego hat. It's a yacht hat, honey. Equally fabulous in your convertible. You can untie that, honey. Tie that around your neck and just be fabulous. And your hair won't go anywhere. This is a Dixie Fried amazing swimsuit. It's got a built-in body shaper for the instant ba-ba-boom. It's in sweet hot pink.
Did you know she used to be a Russian ballerina before they ran her out of the country for being too hot?
Oh, Miss Lola is a ballerina. Hello. All right, now we're back. Darcy Grace. Come on up here, Darcy.
Put the darts away, fellas. Put the darts away. Hang on a second.
Adjusted to the lows, life goes on without me. Adjusted to the lows, everywhere I go. Take the load apart, pay for every dance, try to reach romance. And there will come a day, and you will pass away. What will they say about me? When the end comes, I know there's a justice in the nose. And I ain't got no bones left. Just only go my just only. I'm so sad and lonely. Well, some sweet mama, come take a chance with me, 'cause I ain't so bad. Sing on! kiss my kiss oh, some sweet mama, come and rescue me. I so bad. Sing up.
one of those belts with all the coins on it.
Silly Marie! Oh, put your hands together. Why, hello, lovely people. So, food is my life. I know I may not look like it, but I eat like I'm 300 pounds. So, I'm actually here today to talk about desserts. Because who doesn't love desserts? I know I do. Especially chocolate. And seeing as how Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I thought I'd teach y'all how to make a little something for your little something special. So we're gonna make some chocolate-covered strawberries. But we're not just gonna make chocolate-covered strawberries. We're gonna make heart-shaped chocolate-covered strawberries. So you're gonna start with a strawberry, obviously. Clean it, wash it, and prepare it. All you're gonna want to do is take that little green part off so you have a nice, fresh, juicy strawberry.
Is that sexual chocolate you have
A little bit. Next, you're gonna take a toothpick. I know, it's not very sexy, but it will be. So you're gonna take that toothpick and stab your heart. So now that we've made a nice little heart with our strawberries. Yeah.
Don't break it, just stab it.
Just bruise it a little bit, you know. And I'm sure we've all been to a grocery store, we've all seen these nice little pre-packaged chocolates. Just go ahead and get one of those. We don't need to tell them we didn't try very hard. Just pretend. Fake it till you make it. So just go ahead, grab one of your little chocolates, throw that in the microwave until it's nice and hot. Then you're gonna dip that little heart into the chocolate. And when you're done, get a nice little heart-shaped chocolate-covered strawberry. And seeing as how I made all these chocolate strawberries, I think somebody needs a chocolate strawberry. So.
I do. Of course, the judges get the strawberry. Those bastards. They're all this stuff. Well, I don't mind the view. While you're serving chocolate strawberry. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, each one of you is a judge tonight. You have to fill out your slip. Did I say slip?
Thanks for sticking with me. Done.
It has potential.
Okay, where's your rip not rip chick now?
With her pretty, pretty eyes, we'll have to talk with noise. When I come home at night, she will be waiting. She'll be the truest doll in all this world. I'd rather have a paper doll to call my own than have a girl by the real library. I guess I have in town, sir. I guess I played it all, gave her and over. I just quarreled with you, and that's why I'm blue. She's gone away and left me just like all dogs did. I tell you boys, it's tough to be alone, and it's tough to love a dog that's not your own. I'm through with all her again. I'll never fall again. Say, what you gonna do? I'm gonna do my paper doll and I can hold my own. Along the billows can I see, and the pretty, pretty eyes with the pretty, pretty eyes. Well, after you flirt with dolls in memory, when I come home at night, she will be waiting. She'll be the newest doll in all this world. I
ladies and gentlemen, and please put your hands together.
Dress. It's open back. Long dropping ribbon. Low back. Please put the next door to couple. She knows the contestants. Thank you. Billy Marie is wearing a new mug. It's an R&B hip-hop ring. It's by Stop Staring. It's available on Temptress or StopStaring.com. It's open back. It's ruche. It has a fabulous mug. By far, amazing. Thank you, Billy.
Billy Marie, ladies and gentlemen. Up next, the fabulous Caddy O'Keefe. Over.
Patty is rocking a pin-up girl. Yes, it's a turquoise. It's amazing. That's all right, girl. You're still sexy, bitch.
Did you see that recovery, ladies and gentlemen?
Covered it up.
What a recovery. She didn't even break it.
Stop and pose for the camera, girl. You look hot. This is the Aaron dress by Pin-Up Girl Clothing. Something that we have in many colors, available at Temptress and pinupgirlclothing.com. Thank you, Patty. Next up, we have Michelle.
I wish I could talk about these dresses. I just want to.
Michelle Monique is wearing a Stop Staring Holly Green A-line. That has a little fishtail bottom. That balances out all the curves, little red pieces. Classy, all the way. She's got a little fun evening attire, a little fascinator from Unique Vintage again. It's a veil. Be a little mysterious. The leather gloves are by San Diego Hat Company. Fully studded. And amazing. Michelle Monique. Thank you, Michelle.
Put your hands together. Michelle Monique, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at she red. Oh yeah, honey. Tell us what's under the hood. Tell us. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Ricochet Red is wearing a Stop Staring. It's an eggplant shell fabulousness. It's high empire waist, corseted waist. Holds up the girls and all. It's a lemonade lace. You can wear this in day or night. You can spark it up with heels, leopard, mustard, or the blue dirty color. You decide. Thank you, Ricochet Red.
Well, they say Coco May. Eva May Garnett. Coming out.
Oh my goodness, Eva. Eva Garnett is wearing a beautiful golden goddess. 30s inspired by Stop Staring, no less, in the gold lame. Spark up your holiday or any party, really. Be the hostess with the mostest. Let all eyes be on you when you walk in the room with this dress. Eva Garnett, thank you.
Miss Mary.
Miss Mary is rocking the beautiful Deadly Games Man Trap dress. This name lives up to those heels are killer.
Look at shoes. They look like the couch.
Stop, come back. Give us a solid pose and trap this dress. Princess Heart, Silhouette Bone, Peplum, Pencil, amazing. Okay?
Cocktail hour, fashion show.
Now, is everyone on a ballot? Michelle Monique. Ricochet Red. Ricochet Red. Thank you. Eva Mae Garnett. Miss Miri. Last but not least, Lola Demure. All right, drum roll.
Here we go.
Jerry Cadillac is the magic behind the show here.
Been waiting for.
All right, lovely ladies, you did a wonderful job, and I love you all. Third place, Ricochet Red.
Can I get one of those sashes next year? I want to like a... Okay, I'm just, you know.
All right, second runner-up. Drum roll.
I might just fit in hers. I can fit in hers.
Lola Demure.
You know, it's funny, all the guys in the band, we were all talking about this, trying to figure it out, and you still don't know.
You guys ready? And the winner. Face of Temptress 2014. Darcy Grace.
Darcy Grace, ladies and gentlemen. Hold it to Muir. Ricochet Red. Must have been a beautiful baby. You must have been a wonderful child. Ooh, you must have shown the other kids how. I can see the judge's eyes, and it's you the prize. I bet you got the cutest bow. Oh, I bet you bought a cute little baby. Baby, won't you look at you now?